In primetime news this evening, low salaries, scarce benefits, and disrespect. The plight of district constables who are livid because of poor treatment.
Even a dog was awarded at Kingston at award ceremony. Where are we?
Opposition takes Prime Minister to task about November's murder spike, and Pembroke Hall teacher caught on video threatening student to face disciplinary panel. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yeah, Janella, well, the dollar is swinging, but this time it's moving in a direction which is making businesses and consumers happy, especially going into the Yuletide season. Much more on that in the Financial Week.
All right, some good news in business there. From business, we go to sports with Jordan Forth. Jordan, what's coming up?
Well, Herman, who is the real king of schoolboy football? We're going to get the answer to that question tomorrow as the Issa Olivier Shield final is played between Clarendon College, winners of the Da Costa Cup, and Jamaica College, winners of the Manning Cup. And we're going to have live coverage right here on TVJ and also on Hits 92 FM, but I'm going to tell you lots more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what can the government do to help improve morale among district constables?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.